There are about 3:20 a.m. some gun-trotting young men with their explosive and all that came here and dropped the first explosive. Maybe because the second one they dropped around that side did not detonate. They came back the second time where you see to burn the structure. Look at the security house is gone. Behind me, you will see too that there was also an attempt. It was just our boys, not an attempt, they did. Our boys now came, our people came, and they were able to put out the fire.
Okay, I understand that some of the IEDs were picked up.
Yes.
What happened to them?
Well, they are taken over by the police, who had made entry to police, police station. The DPO came himself to ascertain the level and extent of damage.
So are you linking this attack to the political imbroglio in the state?
Yes, when the governor said that he's ready for war, that it is his last fight, even against a judgment of court that has been served on him, that he had made references to over and over again. So what else? Is APC secretariat here any voting unit? There's no voting unit here. So it was deliberate to see how they can annihilate us. It is deliberate to see how they can embarrass us. It is a deliberate attempt to see how they can decimate us. Hello.